Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make new nearby friends on Telegram. Friends, if you want to make new friends in your locality, then you can do it very easily on Telegram. So in your Telegram, press on these three lines. Now here press on contacts. Now here you will find a option find people nearby. Now friends, as you can see, it has automatically started searching for new people in my locality with the help of my current location. Also you can see the distance from your location, like this one is 288 meter from my place and this one is 430 meters away from my place. So like this you can see the distance of a particular person from here also. Now from the list you can very easily select a person to chat with. Now if you want to chat with this person, you just need to send a message. Now here you can type any message and can send it by clicking here. So friends, like this you can very easily make nearby friends in your locality. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.